Hey guys, we finally made it. You're watching the 10th and final video of our kitchen renovation project. We started this renovation on January 1st, and it's been a crazy journey of turning our old outdated kitchen into a beautiful space that we enjoy being in every day. I can't thank my family enough for helping out. This project wouldn't have been possible without the help of my dad. He helped us during the first half of the renovation, and we learned so much from him. My husband Devin has been extremely helpful also. He's been a trooper. It's not easy living in construction and coming home to a new mess every single day, but we did it. 2 months later, the kitchen is finished, and we couldn't be more happy with how everything turned out. I want to also thank you guys for sticking with us through all these videos. I tried my best to make these a bit educational for you guys, so hopefully you've learned a few tidbits along the way. You can find all the kitchen renovation videos on a playlist on my channel homepage. I plan to do a Q&A video for the kitchen renovation soon, and in that video I'll have a complete breakdown of the cost. I'll also share a blog post with all the helpful links as well, so if there's any questions that you'd like me to answer or links that you need, feel free to let me know in the comments below. I'm going to speed through the progression of the renovation really quick to remind you of where we started and how we got to our final point.
We got our windows down, driving down the 405, sing along to the radio. We're gonna make it someday, nothing's gonna get in our way. We will be the biggest band in town. Round and round the world we'll go, putting on the greatest show. So make sure that you don't miss out, just be there. We're taking our shot, bring what you got. We're going all the way to the top. We will hear the sound of 1 million people screaming our names when we're backstage. We'll play loud, surfing the crowd. Everybody's jumping around. Yeah, that's the place where I wanna be. Going on stage, headline on a Saturday night. Saturday night. I'm gonna quit my job, never wanna have no boss. I just wanna play my rock and roll like they do on the radio. Tommy's got brand new drums, and I still have my old guitar. And John said this next song's gonna be real good, if you know what I mean. Round and round the world we'll go, putting on the greatest show. So make sure that you don't miss out, just be there. We're taking our shot, bring what you got. We're going all the way to the top. We will hear the sound of 1 million people screaming our names when we're backstage. We'll play loud, surfing the crowd. Everybody's jumping around. Yeah, that's the place where I wanna be. Going on stage, headline on a Saturday night. Saturday night. Round and round the world we'll go.
I want to take a quick break to thank the sponsor of today's video, Extra Space Storage. It's been incredibly helpful having a storage unit during our kitchen renovation project. As you can imagine, with a kitchen renovation, we've had to make space for construction supplies and materials, new appliances, old appliances, furniture, and decor. Our garage is awfully tiny, and we didn't want to clutter up our house even more, but thankfully we were able to gain some extra space with the help of Extra Space Storage. Extra Space Storage creates a safe, clean, convenient, and professional solution to storage needs. Having extra space really comes in handy during home renovation projects, but also if you're moving, decluttering, going through a life transition, relocating with the military, whatever it may be, Extra Space Storage is a great stepping stone. Thanks again, Extra Space Storage, for helping us to get through our kitchen renovation. You can check out the link to their website and YouTube channel in the description below. A few things to note: I will be posting a DIY tutorial on how I made the custom range hood. That video will be up soon. We didn't quite finish the range hood, but I was happy just to get something up there for the final reveal. There are a few other things that we need to finish up in the kitchen. We'd like to add some storage shelves or a dish rack for our everyday dishes. We're still waiting on a few cabinet doors. I would love to replace our front door with a nice wood door that has windows to let in some extra light. Also, we've been contemplating replacing our parquet wood floors. I think updating the flooring will really help to elevate our whole space. Once again, thank you guys so much for following along. You guys have kept me motivated through this whole renovation, and I love being able to share my projects with you guys. If there are any questions that you'd like me to answer in the Q&A video or any links that you'd like me to share, let me know in the comments below and I'll address everything in that video. Thank you guys again for watching. I'll see you in the next video.